If your Lucidchart diagram is showing a loading error, freezing on a blank canvas, or just refusing to open, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow even if you're not technical, and it can help you get your diagram loading again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to check is whether a browser extension is blocking Lucidchart from loading properly. Ad blockers, privacy shields, antivirus extensions, and script blockers can interfere with the tools Lucidchart needs to display your diagram. To test this, open your browser's extensions menu by clicking the puzzle piece icon or the extension toolbar. Then temporarily turn off anything that could affect site scripts, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions like uBlock or Malwarebytes browser protection. Once those are disabled, go back to Lucidchart and refresh the page. If the diagram loads normally after that, you've found the cause. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted temporary files can stop diagrams from rendering the way they should. Open your browser settings and go to the Privacy, History, or Browsing Data section. Look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files, and also cookies and other site data. For the best results, set the time range to all time. Then click Clear Data, close and reopen your browser, and sign back into Lucidchart. A fresh browser session often fixes loading issues that seem much bigger than they really are. Now let's check your graphics settings, because sometimes the issue is related to WebGL or hardware acceleration. If Lucidchart is stuck on loading, the browser may be having trouble rendering the canvas correctly. Inside Lucidchart, look for the View menu in the top left area and see whether there's a rendering option or a WebGL setting. Toggle that option off if it's enabled or on if it's already disabled, then refresh the page to test the result. If you're using Chrome or Edge, you can also try disabling hardware acceleration in the browser itself. Go to Browser Settings, then System, and turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart the browser after changing that setting, then reopen Lucidchart and check your diagram again. If the issue only happens with one specific file, the diagram itself may be corrupted or simply too complex to load correctly. In that case, go back to your Lucidchart dashboard and find the affected document. Right-click the file and choose Duplicate. Then, open the copied version and see if it loads properly. If the duplicate works, that usually means the original file has an issue with the content or structure, and working from the duplicate may save you from rebuilding everything from scratch. If none of those fixes work right away, I'd recommend going back through the steps in order, because browser-related problems often have more than one cause. Start with extensions, then cache and cookies, then graphics settings, and finally test the file itself. That approach solves most Lucidchart loading errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. I hope this helped you fix the Lucidchart diagram loading error and get back to your workflow faster. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.